Yes, so if you are new, this video is for you. Yeah, totally new to Canva. What we are going to do, I'm talking to this person that doesn't even know how to open a Canva page. So we are going to do the following. So in your browser, type Canva. We are going to use the online version. Then later I'll show you how to download any other version. But if you come on your page, you'll see download Canva for Windows if you are using Windows. Then if you are using Mac, you just go to your App Store for Mac. Yeah. But we are going with the person that doesn't have, to download the Canva, but they just want to use it online. So you click the first link to bring this page. When it brings this page, if you are new, like totally new, don't have an account there, you go to sign up for Canva. So you click sign up. Hope you can all see. You click sign up. It has the best sign up system of you just connecting to your Google account or Gmail. I'll do continue with Gmail or Google. Then there are two accounts within. This is the account that has been sending you emails. Then there is this other account. So this account already has a page there. I'll do with this one that is totally new, so that we have the same look of work. So you click to that, then you say continue. One, you must be logged in by default. Yeah, must be logged in into your Gmail. So here it will prompt you. When it prompts you, like what are you going to use Canva for? Maybe you're a small business. Then I always skip these things, but yeah, I'll just do marketing and PR. What is your company says? It is only me or 229. Like here you can read and goals, create videos, doc for presentation, continue. Yeah. So this is the page that is disturbing people. Start my free trial. I prefer trial for the team. Do not start any free trial, please. We are going to learn Canva that is free. Then in case we get someone that is giving us the pro version, then we shall start. Or first learn the Canva that is free. Then when you need pro features, in case you have a gig or what, then you will start your free trial. So don't sign up here. Just do skip. So when you skip, it will be totally like this. Like your entire thing, you won't have any designs there. You won't have any templates there. It will be a blank page like this. I'll close this because I don't need to be taken through. But yeah, that's it. That's how your thing will be. Then for the work, we want you to design from an empty page. I remember that's what Benjamin said. So the Kasasi for the work is you will come to create, then you'll pick a blank page. For example, a flyer or a doc. But yeah, I think you were to design a poster. So you pick a poster blank page. Then when it comes, it is coming. Yeah. When it comes, you'll find a way to navigate through things. But at least that's a good start. Hope you are all at this page. We want by the next time we meet, everyone is at this page. You have a Canva account. Please don't try the free version. We are going to study with Canva free. Like, don't try this pro version. Yeah. Even if it keeps prompting you, just keep pressing skip or cancel or what, but don't try the free version. So after that, that is a prerequisite. Another thing is you need to have a Pinterest account. I'll give you reasons as to why we want a Pinterest account, but it is a compulsory thing for this course. Yeah. So Pinterest is key. If you don't have an account with them, you will sign up. So for that, I have an account with them. But if you don't have one, you will still need one. Yeah. You just open up the account with them. Like you don't need to have content there, followers there. No. Just you don't need to have work there or what. But it is one page that will be helping us to pick inspirations. So if Benjo told you to design a birthday flyer, so you come into your Pinterest and say birthday flyers. So it will show you different birthday flyers, and they are international birthday flyers. For example, some of us were not naturally created to be designers. So what do we do to get close to designers is we pick inspirations. Pick an inspiration from already existing work that is international, that is standard. So you see these birthday flyers. You have no If you look at them, you have never seen any, for example, anywhere. You see these common flyers, but when you do it with Pinterest or other, picking inspiration platforms, we shall show you other platforms we pick inspirations from. So if you did it with these platforms, you see that their work is tuning, is good. So I would encourage you to, for example, pick one, go do a Zoe, go do some practice with it. So this weekend you have always yearned to design something. Type it into your Pinterest. Pick one that is good for you. This is a basic design. So pick one that is good for you. Go to your Canva, design it, share the work with us. This is a basic design. You just need a photo here, a name at the top, a shadow to do this, the name, birthday wish, and it is a basic design, but doesn't even match the birthday standard. Like they should be playful fonts. But yeah, you can design something like this for your own soul. I sign out. Bye bye. But in the next lesson, we want you to have a Pinterest account and a Canva account, but don't try the pro version of this. Bye bye.